Up guys, in this video I'll be answering the most frequently asked question of the year, which is how do I buy Bitcoin. In this tutorial video I'll be taking you through how you can buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin within 5 minutes. Just make sure you stick around this video. I'll be right back. Yo, what up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Cryptonice. In this channel we take you to cryptocurrency tutorials, project reviews, market trends and event highlights. So if you are watching for the first time, you can kindly subscribe and turn on the bell button. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram at manlikeleo. And if you have any questions after this tutorial, leave it in the comment section. I will surely reply you. In this video I'll be taking you through how you can buy Bitcoin within 5 minutes. This tutorial is for those who are in Nigeria. If you are living outside Nigeria, I'll be releasing subsequent videos, tutorials on how you can buy Bitcoin within Africa and the world general. So going into the tutorial straight, I'll be buying Bitcoin through www.simsexchangers.net. I've been using these exchanges for a while, like say 3 months now, and I mentioned them even in my second video about the things you need before you can start trading or investing. So I'll be taking you through how you can buy Bitcoin on this website. So going first, what we need to do is to log in first. So I have an account with them, so I'll be logging in. For those of you who are watching this video, maybe you have not registered with them, all you need to do is you register. So let me log in to the website. So I buy Bitcoin within 5 minutes. So I put in my email and my password, and they will ask you a question. 9 plus 9 was 9 plus 9 18. So there it goes. So I log in. Next thing is they will ask me what I have. Now I have Nigerian Naira and I want to buy Bitcoin. So I will choose Bitcoin, and it will automatically bring another page for me. So I'll be selecting Naira and I'll be selecting Bitcoin. So you can see one Bitcoin is like 1.4 million naira, but I want to buy Bitcoin worth 5,000 naira. So a lot of people will be asking me, can I buy Bitcoin of 5,000 naira? This will prove that you can buy Bitcoin as low as 5,000 naira, as low as 4,000 naira, as low as 10,000 naira. Let's go. So I'm pressing 5,000 naira. So I'm buying Bitcoin worth 13.51 USD. I'm buying 0.003.45 BTC. So they will ask for my Bitcoin wallet address. So for those who watch my last tutorial on how you can create a cryptocurrency wallet, so I'm using a Jazz wallet. So if you did not watch that tutorial and you want to create a cryptocurrency wallet, there's a pop-up on this video. You find it so you can create a wallet for yourself. So I'll be copying my Bitcoin wallet, going back to the exchange, paste it there, and they will ask for a payment method. If you can use your card, you can do a bank transfer for those of us who use online banking, and also you can go to the bank and deposit anyone that is okay for you. What I do is I use bank transfer. So after that, they'll ask for the bank you want to use. So they have an account with First Bank of Nigeria and First City Momentum Bank, which is FCMB. So I transfer to First Bank and buy. So after clicking that, this is an instruction from the exchange which says pay 5k to First Bank, details below. They gave me the bank name and the bank account number, and after that they will give you the order number. So I have 6229 order in remark or reference when sending. So once I send this money, after I send this money, so I just press the notification key. So I put the order number 6 6329, the amount I sent exactly. So I sent 5,000 naira, and what I use in sending it. So if it's sent by bank transfer or bank deposit, so I use a bank transfer, my name. So they will ask for the bank you transferred from. Okay, transfer from this bank, and to which bank? To their first bank. And what you do is just hit submit. Once you hit submit, it will get to them and they will transfer your cryptocurrencies to you. And if you have any question, maybe you have any difficulty while doing this, I think you can get an email and number from the home of this website, where you can contact them instantly if you have any questions. So you can message them on WhatsApp. They have a BBM, but I think WhatsApp and call is better. You can just call them and they'll answer you. So thank you for watching this video. Please, if you're first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel so you can enjoy tutorials like this. I have a lot of content for you guys. My next video will be taking you through how you can trade cryptocurrencies and make profits from them. So thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in my next video.